Hey, this is Terry, and what I want to talk about in this video is the CD35 platform. It's composed of basically two different products. There is the CD35 CD player with an amazing ESS Sabre-based D to A conversion stage in it. But as it is modular, you can add the Prisma module to it, and so it becomes not only a CD player, but a fully functioning network player. And with that Prisma platform, we have access to all kinds of different connectivity and streaming options. So for example, we have Bluetooth for a very casual, quick connection from almost any portable platform. But then we also have more advanced, more sophisticated connection schemes from AirPlay, Spotify Connect, or Chromecast built-in. And Chromecast built-in is a particular favorite in part because of its versatility. It really allows us immediate and direct access to 160 streaming services at a higher resolution than most, up to 2496. So higher resolution platforms like Tidal Hi-Fi, like Qobuz, can be played to their fullest extent. We also have, with the Chromecast built-in platform, something called the Google Home app that we can access. And we use this to more easily and effortlessly set up the Prisma platform into your network so that with the greatest of ease, you can have this connected and easily controlled by our Prisma app and any of the apps that you would have on your mobile device for those streaming services that I've already mentioned. Additionally, it allows us through the Chromecast platform to be connected multi-room, multi-zone to any other Chromecast-enabled speaker or product. And so we get that along with the final kind of feature that's fun, and that is voice control. Using a Google Home speaker and Google Assistant, we can ask this product to go out into the internet and grab whatever music we want to play easily and effortlessly. So the combination of using very familiar platforms, mobile devices, iPads, tablets, the like, and by being able to use familiar apps, we are able to very easily and effortlessly have anyone in the home be able to take advantage of playing digital media from this complete player. Now, in addition to that, there are a couple of features on the output stage I should point out. Not only do we have balanced output as well as unbalanced RCA output, those outputs can be configured in one of two ways. You can have variable output, which means you can connect a pair of powered loudspeakers to the CD35 and in its Prisma format, have a complete digital music service center that allows you to have a complete system in this single box with that pair of powered speakers. Otherwise, you can put it to a more standard fixed output, and that means it would be connected to an integrated amp or a preamplifier. Now, for those of you who may want to have an outboard DAC or be connected to one of our Prisma products that has a DAC built in along with the Prisma module, you may prefer to have the DD35, which is a CD transport only. And it uses the same drive that we use in the CD35, which is a wonderful TIAC drive, but it also means that then it only has digital output. And that digital output is composed of this RCA and Toslink output you see here. Now, one of the advantages of this, however, is that because we don't have to use the power supply in the CD35 to drive the Prisma module, the DAC, and the other functions of that player, we're able to dedicate that power supply to doing really only two major functions. And that is to provide power to the drive and provide power to the digital output stage. And by being able to modify it in that way, we can provide an isolated, dedicated power supply to the digital output. And the results that we found with that is an absolute clarity to the signal that comes out of that player then from that disc. And it really provides this kind of wonderful, kind of information-rich signal feed so that every DAC we've connected it to just sounds that much better. And so either of these, the DD35 as a transport or the CD35 as a CD player or fully formed Prisma network connected and controlling player, you have these amazing products as a digital source for any of your Primare'S systems or other systems where you want CD and network playback. So if you want more details, specifications and the like, go to Primare.net.